I'm Parutta with WTI. If you guys have not heard of these drying mats yet, they are becoming very popular for a good reason. This one is from Parutta, and these are made from diatomaceous earth. That's something that I'm familiar with because we use diatomaceous earth in raising our chickens. It has all sorts of health benefits, and it's natural because it is literally made from the ground. They are super absorbent. This one is made for dishes. I love how it looks. It really doesn't take up hardly any space at all. I just leave it out on my counter all the time. But if I do ever decide to put it away, it's as thin as a cutting board, so I just slide it in the cabinet where I keep all my cutting boards. It works so much better than what I've been using for years, a dish drying mat. And actually, it's been fun to experiment with the dish drying mat and this from Parutta side by side. I took just a drinking glass, rinsed it out, put it on the mat, and 2 days later, you still had condensation in the glass. So I rinsed it out again, put it on the dish drying mat. So this is very porous, and it just sucks the moisture right out of all of your dishes. You would think it wouldn't fit very much, but I'm very skilled in the game of Tetris, and so I can fit a ton on this dish drying mat. The little grooves on it really help hold on to your different plates and pans and all the way around too. It also has these little feet, which I think is great because it's getting it up off the counter, which is making the drying capabilities work so much more than that sopping wet, gross dish mat. It smells great. I never have had any problems with any sort of mildew or wet smell from having things sit on it because of how fast it dries. It also comes with these little sanding discs because you'll get stains on this over time, but they sand right off, no problem at all. If you haven't heard of these dish drying mats yet, you are missing out. They are a game changer. My drying time is cut down not even in half, by like an eighth compared to what it was before. It looks pleasing sitting out on my counter all day, so I have no problem just leaving it out, and it's ready for the next washing. And that's my point of view.